How to transfer Apple gift card to Apple Pay 2024. In this video, I'm going to be quickly teaching you on how you can transfer your Apple gift card straight to your Apple Pay in the easiest and most simplest way. Now, basically, Apple Pay is your account for your Apple wallet, okay? So, whatever money you have is going to be stored in your Apple Pay. Now, how are you going to transfer your Apple gift card or redeem your Apple gift card to your Apple Pay? What you're going to do for that is basically what you can do is you're going to come over to the main Apple website and you're going to go over to redeem. And once you go over to redeem, make sure that you're logged in with your iTunes on whatever device you are going over to. And here, as you can see, it says connecting to the Mac App Store. So what it does is it connects to the Mac App Store, and once the App Store is connected, you're going to sign in with your account. And once you sign in with your account, obviously it will know that your account is associated with whatever Apple Pay. And what you're going to do from there is simply redeem your gift card, and your gift card should be directly added into your Apple Pay. And that is how simple and easy it is. So that's pretty much about it. If you enjoyed this video, drop down a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll be seeing all of you people in the very next video. Have a great day. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.